Before we get started with this video, I just want to say this coming Saturday, I'm wanting to post a Q&A and I need your cues. So if you have any questions for me, leave those in the comment section below, or you can go to my Instagram. I'm at autumnbeckman there, and you can leave your questions there too and ask me anything. Feel free, and I'll answer whatever I feel is appropriate to answer, which usually from you guys is everything. So I'm looking forward to your questions. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you're into that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe, like the videos that you enjoy, and click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video. Today I have an unboxing for us. This is a small unboxing, but still a worthy one. Still a little bit difficult to find pieces like this, although they are not limited production like some other pieces have been. I'm looking for my little knife. Here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I purchased this from The RealReal. So let's get into this. They've got it bubble wrapped on top. It's a very small item, so it's mostly bubble wrap in there. There's a little booklet that has my receipt and just some information about The RealReal. And then here's the item. I think you can tell from the shape what it is, perhaps. And then let's open this up. And here we go. Oh, this is interesting. Is this... Okay, hold on. Let me show it to you first, and then let's look at it a little closer. Yeah, I think it is what I thought it was. Okay. I thought it was a Ben, and I had ordered black, but it does appear to be black, doesn't it? It's a little hard to tell in my lighting. But yes, it is a luggage tag. It's the large size luggage tag, and I brought my small size out to compare. So there's the large, and then I have another large one right here to compare. And since that one luggage tag video where I bought a fake luggage tag from The RealReal, I unknowingly bought a fake. I didn't realize it. I didn't educate myself on the Louis Vuitton luggage tags. I just trusted The RealReal to have the authentic tag and to not sell fakes. But since then, I learned that that tag was fake, and I have educated myself on knowing the difference. This tag right away looks real to me. There's nothing about it that raises any red flags. I have wanted a black luggage tag for a while. As you guys probably know, Vuitton has gotten to where they don't really sell these separately. You have to buy a bag that has a luggage tag on it in order to get a luggage tag. This one looks like it's from the men's line because it has silver hardware. And I bought it specifically to put on this bag, my vintage Noe in black epi, or epi noir. So I'll take it and attach it to the side here. And I'll probably get it hot stamped at some point, but I don't know what I would want to stamp it with. I have a few luggage tags that have my initial A or AB, and I don't think I want to do the same thing here. I think I might wait till one of the more limited edition stamps comes out. Like this is a limited edition stamp, the New York stamp. I know there's a Texas stamp, so maybe if they open another store in Houston, I'll be able to get that. That was up in Dallas when a new store was open there. But yeah, I don't have any specific stamp in mind yet, but I did want a black luggage tag to go with that epi bag and any other black bags I might get. It doesn't bother me that the hardware is silver. I've been looking for a black bag with silver hardware anyway, so this will work with that bag whenever I get it. And the silver buckle is so small, it's not that noticeable that you have two different colors of the hardware. And I will need to order one of these little U-clips for it, but in silver, so it's easier to get on and off bags instead of having to unbuckle the whole thing. So we give you one more close-up look at it. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. The stitching looks good. The shape of it looks good. Looks like it has a little bit of a dent here. That doesn't bother me at all. There's the back of the buckle and the little rivet that says Louis Vuitton, and the back of the tag. And one of the dead giveaways in my fake luggage tag was that this was not pointed here. It was cut off at an angle, and the Louis Vuitton luggage tags should have that point on them. And just so you're aware, in case you want to figure out how much you'd want to spend on one of these, because you can find them on the Preloved market, but they do tend to be way overpriced. Louis Vuitton sells, if I remember correctly, and if the prices are still the same, the small one is about $65 and the large one is about $75. Again, they just don't want to sell them separately anymore. They've got policies against it now, so I'm told. So Preloved, you just figure out what you're willing to spend. I spent $100 on this one, so it's over retail, but they tend to be priced a lot more than that. They tend to be priced closer to $125, $150, $200. It depends. And then if they have a limited edition stamp like this one does, then they're often priced higher than that. So I thought, given the market, $100 for this was a good price. It's a good staple piece to have, the black, and it was in great shape. So I'm very happy with it. Oh, it even has the little piece of paper inside from Louis Vuitton where you would write your information if you were actually going to use this as a luggage tag, which I'm not. It's just a bag charm. Do you have any luggage tags in your collection? Were you able to buy them alone, or did you have to buy them with a bag? Do you have any limited edition stamps? Tell me about your luggage tags. Put that in the comment section below. Hi, it's me again. Just want to remind you to leave your questions for my Q&A below, or go to my Instagram at autumnbeckman and leave your questions there. Thanks so much.